Hey guys, and welcome to this all day clean with me. My house is an absolute wreck. It was my birthday, and then we just got back from vacation, and things just get really messy very easily. So I wanted to show you guys a good, embarrassing overview of real life, what my house looked like this day. It's normally not, it is pretty bad sometimes, but I wanted to show you guys what everything looked like. It was just like a bunch of stuff I need to put up, like laundry I need to do. Our room was absolutely trashed. That was so embarrassing. But yeah, we got it all cleaned up in this video, so I hope you guys are excited, and we're going to go ahead and get into the cleaning. I'm just going to keep showing you guys what the house looks like, so I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe if you like these kinds of videos, and let me know what else you'd like to see on my channel in the comments down below. So first thing I always do is I always start in the kitchen. I feel like if I can get the kitchen done, that's one less thing I have to do. And it just makes me feel like if the kitchen is clean, one thing is at least accomplished. So I went ahead and did all the dishes. I loaded the dishwasher. I did so many loads of dishes this day. I don't think I showed them all, but I did like 2 or 3, just like a bunch of dishes, and then hand wash anything that needed to be hand washed as well. We also had Olive Garden takeout for my birthday. We just got takeout and chilled at home, so I had a lot of messes from that to clean up, and just putting things back where they needed to be, and wiping down the counters, cleaning the stove, all the typical things to do when you clean your kitchen. I am obsessed with Mrs. Meyer's peony scent. I don't know if anybody else, I know a lot of people are obsessed with it, but I'm like really obsessed with it. So I've got it in all the sprays, the hand washes, everything. So I was showing you guys some of the cleaning products that I was going to be using, as well as some new Everspring products. I'm showing you guys the birthday card that my husband made for me from the dogs, and I thought it was so cute. I used the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray just to wipe down all my countertops and cabinets and tables, just because I like the way it smells, and I feel like it really does get everything pretty clean. And yeah, so that's what I like to use. I just wipe down all the counters with it, the table, pretty much anything that I can wipe down with it, I do. I wanna make it sweat on me. I wanna make it sweat on me. So the Method degreaser that I'm using is one that I saw Amy Darley use on her channel, and it has been a life-changing cleaning product. I'm so glad I watched that video, and she told me about it, so I was so excited. It gets anything and everything off your stoves, pans, anything. I totally recommend picking it up at Target. As you can see, I just keep doing dishes. I keep finding dishes around the house. It's like a never-ending cycle. For some reason, our kitchen table gets extremely dusty and dirty, but it's also right by the back door, and the dogs are always coming in and out, so I think that's why. So I try to wipe that down at least every day, if not every other day. So I'm trying out this Everspring glass cleaner. I've been wanting to try it, and I think it worked better than Windex, and it doesn't have that chemically smell like Windex does. So I really like that, and I'm going to keep using that on all my other mirrors in the house. So moving on to the living room, I'm just going to start by picking up all the little things that shouldn't be in the living room, just tidying up. As you see, I'm just going to be walking around, cleaning up, and the dogs are just sitting there watching me. It's so funny watching these clips back because I see how much they just follow me and they just watch everything that I do. And of course, there's dog toys all over the floor. They actually had torn up one of Aaron's straw hats, which was not good. So you see me picking all that stuff up. That was a pain to pick up, and he was not happy about that. I use a letterboard, and I've been trying to keep all my pieces a little bit more organized, so I'm going to put all those into like a plastic bag or something, because I end up losing them so easily, and there's some little pieces in there, and I don't want the dogs to eat them either. I was laughing so hard when I was filming this because I'm cleaning off the table and it was making like a really high-pitched noise, and as you can see, my dog's like turning his head. It's so cute, and he's like, "What is that noise?" Moving on to our bedroom, I was going to change the sheets today and start tidying up in here. I'm actually looking at getting us a new duvet cover, so leave any suggestions you have. I kind of want to go with a completely different color. I always stick to neutrals, but I kind of want to give our master bedroom a refresh, so if you guys would be interested in seeing that in a video, then please let me know down below. I was just going to gather all the laundry and wash some of the dog's blankets, as well as just put up any laundry that hasn't been put up and clean off my dresser top. It gets really dusty and dirty, and there is so much dog hair in my bedroom. It's insane the amount of times I have to Swiffer or something, so I'm always cleaning up dog hair. My nightstand was covered in dog hair as well. Like, it was so bad, and I don't know if you can't see it on camera, but in real life it was flying in the air, just clumps of dog hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and vacuum our room. I use the hard floor setting on my vacuum, and it usually does a really good job at getting all the dog hair up. And then I'll go back and Swiffer or something, but today I was actually going to mop all the floors, so I wanted to make sure all the dog hair was up, all the debris, so I could mop our floors and get them nice and clean. off, I'm just using this Mr. Clean Pet stuff. I don't really know. It's just like a multi-surface cleaning product, and it's supposed to be really good to get like pet stuff up, because on our floors, the dogs have had accidents and stuff, so I always just want to make sure that the floors are super clean and take the time to really make sure that there's nothing left on the floor after we clean up pet messes or anything like that. So I really liked it, and it made the whole house smell very nice because it has Febreze in it, and there was another one that had Gain in it as well. Moving on to the kitchen, I really need to mop the kitchen because that's obviously where the dogs come in after they've been outside. So it gets very dirty very easily. So I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum it all up again and then mop the floor. I'm always doing laundry, so I did about 2 or 3 loads this day. Just wanted to make sure I got as much done as possible while I was going to be home to switch it out, because I'm really bad about forgetting to switch the laundry. Okay, the next thing I did was scrub my baseboards, and this made a huge difference. My mom actually did it on a few pieces while she was here with the dogs, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to do that. So I started doing that, and they look so much better. We are going to be getting the whole house repainted and the trim repainted, so for now I just wanted to go ahead and clean them because they got really dirty and they look so much nicer now. So after dinner, I have to re-clean the kitchen again. I made stuffed bell peppers this night, and they were so good. But I had a lot of messes to clean up, and I also needed to unload the dishwasher from earlier. Now the dog's favorite time of the day is when I reload the dishwasher. Does anybody else's dogs like to do this? They always like to lick the dishes, which I know some people think is really gross, but I'm like, they're going in the dishwasher. I know so many people's dogs do this, so I just try to let them, but normally they get in the way, so I have to put them outside or tell them to go away because I can't load the dishes because they're always moving them around.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next.
So here's an overview of the clean kitchen. I love having a clean kitchen. It makes me so happy, and it's so nice to wake up in the morning and it's already clean. So to end the night, I just started folding some laundry that I needed to go ahead and fold, and I went ahead and put it up so it wouldn't just sit on the couch for a few days, because honestly, that's the reality of it. And I wanted to show you guys a little bit of my dining room. It's not messy because we're hardly ever in there, but I got these cute little placemats at Walmart for $2 a piece, and then I decorated my bar cart a little bit. And then I'm showing you this little rug that I found at HomeGoods, which it's probably going to go better when I get my new duvet cover. But I ended up putting this in the entryway of our house because it looked nicer and it fit a little bit better in there. But the dogs really liked it. Hickory was already laying on it. He was like, I like this, leave it here.
It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
So I cleaned the guest room. I have to put those blankets on the beds because the dogs love to lay in there and look out the window, and I don't want them to mess up my new comforters in there. And here's an overview of our clean bedroom, all cleaned up. I didn't get to do everything I wanted to do in this video, but you know, I got as much done as I could in the time that I had in one single day. And then this little jar that I'm showing you with my bath salts is so cute. I got it at HomeGoods for $1. So that is it, you guys. Like I said, I did not get to everything that I wanted to do. I didn't even get to do the bathrooms, but that's the reality of it. I wanted to go upstairs and clean too, but there's only so many hours in the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
When you're next to me.